We took a quick weekend getaway from Atlanta to Cancun. It was a short 2-hour flight, and we stayed at the Hilton Cancun Mar Caribe, which is an all-inclusive hotel. So I'll show you a look inside of this hotel. This hotel is located in the hotel zone, and it's about a quick 20-minute ride from the airport. We used Happy Shuttle, and I'll include a link in the description below. I would highly recommend arranging the airport shuttle before you get to Cancun. This hotel was recently renovated and was previously known as the Royal Uno Hotel, but this hotel became a Hilton in late 2023. We stayed inside of the Enclave Beachfront Suite with a plunge pool. It had 1 king bed and 2 Murphy beds. There was a little kitchenette, and I really appreciated having this refrigerator as well as a microwave in the suite. The refrigerator came stocked with beverages, and you can get them replaced each day, including you can get the snacks replaced each day. So when you're in an all-inclusive hotel, everything's included. There are bars, but inside the room there was wine included and beers. Here's the private pool that we had. There's also pools on the property. I'll show you that later. But this was a great choice to upgrade to the Enclave Suites. Here's the king bed, and we also arranged prior to get a pack and play for an infant. And the bedroom has access to the patio as well. And just look at this bathroom. There's a rain shower. This shower is very spacious. Here are the Murphy beds that are located in the living room, and the king bed is located in its own room. Here's what's included when you get an Enclave room. Is an Enclave experience worth it? Definitely. We only stayed for a quick 3-night weekend, but I wish we had stayed longer. Now, let's talk about food on the property, which is probably what everyone's interested in. For breakfast, there are restaurants that serve breakfast, but we decided to do room service every morning because we were just not wanting to get our infant up every morning. So that was really good. And then if you're interested in a buffet, they do have the buffet open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So the food was good at the buffet. And then for dinner, you can have your choice of making reservations at restaurants, or either do walk-ups. I would definitely recommend a reservation. With the Enclave, we were able to have our reservations, kind of like a first dib on the reservations. For the first night, we went to the Steakhouse. I'll include a link to the restaurant menus in the description of this video. And at the restaurants for dinner, you have like 5 courses. You have a choice of different things, including liquor as well. This is the Italian Luce Italian restaurant. And this restaurant has great views. If you want to sit outside, you can see a great view from there. We just decided to sit inside. Then this is their 24-hour little like snack spot that you can go to. This was really good when either the buffet is closed or whatnot, or you just want a quick snack. And again, this is all inclusive, so You just go up and pick your like treats that you want from here. They also had little sandwiches. This is Noriku, which is Asian dishes, and they also have where you can get, if you wanted to, you can sit at the hibachi table, but you have to pick one or the other. You can't get hibachi if you're sitting at the regular tables, I believe. And between the Italian and the Noriku, I enjoyed both of them. I would have to say the Noriku I like better. I mean, you could get sushi. Since it's Asian, you can even get Thai curry cuisine, which was good. And that's like a fried rice that I got. So I had a couple of different options and the food was good there. This is an option, the Chala Skybar, for snacks and being able to overlook. It's supposed to be for the Enclave guests only, and then sometimes at night they'll have events here. I'll show you the nightlife later on in this video. And then this is the Enclave Lounge, so it's available. They even have food here where they serve meals, and then also snacks, and then there's also a bar there. So there are a lot of options for food, and then you can always get food service, food brought to your room. So let's look at the beach and things to do on the property. Of course, number one is the beach. I really enjoyed the beach. From the Enclave Beachfront rooms, I could walk right downstairs into the beach, or there was what you saw walking down. The Enclave also has a different section where you have day beds, and it's kind of first come, first serve, versus on the other side, you have to pay for like day beds or order bottles or whatnot. So I do like that that is an option. I definitely would recommend upgrading to Enclave for the views, for being able to walk out onto the beach, especially if you're on that bottom floor, and then also for the private section. And I did like the VIP of it all. The pools are amazing here. Look at all of this options that you have for the pool. There's even a bar, a swim up bar. Some other things that you can do on the property: there is a spa on the property. You can get a massage, as well as there's a hydrotherapy session that you can get. I definitely would recommend that. Hydrotherapy is different, like steam rooms and things where you can just kind of relax. Also, there is golf available. There is a hair salon on site, And then there's this gym here. So if you're looking to get a workout in, here's how the gym looks. Now for the night entertainment, there's things at the Chala Bar, which is the bar that I showed you upstairs, and then there's stuff in the lobby bar area. And this, they have different music, different things every night. It's for all ages, and I really enjoyed the entertainment. The only thing I wish is that the DJ would play music a little bit later into the night. But I would recommend this hotel, especially for families. If you're looking for an all-inclusive experience, especially if you're a Hilton Honors member, you want to earn points or either use points, I would definitely recommend this hotel. The food was good and the service was really great, and I really loved that the Enclave rooms provided you a more secluded VIP area, as well as great views of the ocean. You could hear the ocean at night. So this hotel I would definitely recommend. For more details about the hotel, check out the links in my description of this video.